In this video, I'm going to talk about the search project from CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript. Um, as the specification says, the website must have the following requirements. Um, the website should have at least 3 pages. As you can see here, I'm in the Visual Studio for the CS50, and those are my pages. The index page, the images page, and the advanced page, which are the HTML. And also, this is on the Google page, there should be links up and right. So since I already ran this file, this index file, or the search file, so I was able to run it with this command. If I can see it here, which is HTTP server dash server, and this will open this. So make sure you just follow the instructions here. CTRL plus click, and then it will take you to the page here. So as you can see, the page is already built. So here it says on the Google search page, this is the index page. If I go back here, this is the index page, which will have all this information here. All, should I say it, all these requirements to build this page, which we have the inputs, and also which this is the this is the form. So anything that you type on Google search box, this action will take you where you need to go. And also this is the most important thing here, which is the query, the attribute name as a query, the keywords for query. All right, so if you go back here, since the specification says on the search of the other 2 pages, there should be a link upper right. So these are the 2 links. So if we click here, there should be a Google image. We can go back on here to the main page or the index page, then the advanced page as well. So let's go back on here. It says on the Google search, the user should be able to type a query. Click search, and it will take to the results. Will be taken to the search results. All right, so let's see. So let's say let's type Celsius energy drink, or I mean, let's just go back on here. Since I like this what would you call this? Yeah, you could call, say, Celsius energy drink, which is here. So it's taking me to what I need to go. So let's just go back on here. And so it's doing its job. So now the second requirement would be on the Google image search, the user should be able to type in a query. Click a search button and taken to the Google image search. So in order for this page to do that, as mentioned, we have to use some attributes on the form. Even though we have the action here, but the attributes they need to be there. And here, as mentioned, to include input field on the form that users cannot see or modify, you can use the hidden input field, which is here. Type hidden. All right, so let's just go back on here and let's go on image. If I click image, I will be able to search any image here. So let's say Marvel, and if I click here, Google image, it will take me straight to what I wanna see as a Marvel images, which are all here. And my favorite character is Iron Man. All right, so now on the other one, it says on Google Advanced Search page, the users should be able to provide input the following 4 fields taken from Google's own advanced search. So I was, um, in order for me to do that, I create this page, which is the advanced page, and as example, I just needed to go there on Google Advanced and see how the page is built. So I just when I created the page, and if we go back, um, so since I saw the modification or the page of Google Advanced Search was like this, so I just created the same way. So the form, which is the action, uh, which is google.com search, um, that's very important, and also the attributes and the input. So anything you do, or anything you enter, there should be a query. So here too, this attribute name with a query as well, and also they wanna on the Google search button. Okay, so this one provide a full so Google search advanced Google's own advanced page options that vertical fields. All right, so consists with a Google own CSS. Okay, so as well, I created the style CSS, which is the specifications or the requirements as well, in order for me to make it clean or um, view user friendly. All right, so let's just go back on here. So let's say if I want to type um, Harvard um, and you want to search for Harvard, it's just going to take me there. So let's say if I want to type um, HA Harvard, then let's say Yale, let's say here any of these words, um, university, Yale, Oxford, okay, let's go for Oxford and MIT. So if I type in all these, it should give me something here. All right, so okay, so even this page is correcting me. Harvard, Oxford, Yale, MIT. Okay, so it's working. Which I can see anything here. So yes, let me just go back on here. And now it says on the last thing, add an I'm feeling lucky button. So let's just go back on here, which the I'm feeling lucky button was added or created. And then when I click here, it's just gonna take me to this interesting page. Um, And consistent with Google's own behavior, clicking this link should take users directly to the first Google search results for the query. Okay, so this is totals, culture, places. So it just take me to the Google's, as mentioning, Google's own behavior. Human encounter redirect number. I'm feeling lucky, but not to worry. This is expected. Okay. So now, so that's the project. Um, I hope you like this project, and thank you. Thank you for watching.